Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Stan. So today I'm going to make a beef curry in green masala, which is my favorite. Now I don't know whether it's an authentic Goan or an East Indian style recipe. That's why I call it an authentic Catholic style green masala beef curry. So do let me know in the comments below whom should I credit for this recipe, the Goans or the East Indians. Because in Bombay, most of the Catholic houses in Bombay had this beef curry in green masala prepared for their Sunday lunch. This green masala curry is very special to me. The masala is very basic, very delicious, very tasty. Simple ingredients, stick till the end, and without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so let's begin with boiling the beef. Now you can make this entire recipe in a pressure cooker, but in my case what I do is I also add potatoes to the curry. That's the reason first I boil the beef and then in a thick pot I roast the masala, add the potato and then I add the beef. Okay, but if you want to make this without the potato, you can simply use a pressure cooker, fry the masala and then add the beef and pressure cook it until the beef is cooked well. So this is 500 grams of boneless beef, and now I will season it with some salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. We'll just rub the meat well, and here I'll be adding in 1-inch ginger. We'll add some water and we will pressure cook it until the meat is well cooked. So it might take around 5 to 6 whistles depending on the cut of the beef. And now while the beef is pressure cooking, let's start with our masala. So here are some ingredients. So here I've taken one medium sized tomato and I've removed the pulp. And here this is 3 green chili. I've de-seeded them, 1-inch ginger, along with 5 to 6 garlic cloves and 1 medium sized onion which I have roasted. Now in a mixer grinder, I will add all these ingredients along with some dried spices. So here goes in half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3 teaspoon of whole coriander seeds, then goes in half teaspoon of peppercorns, 1-inch cinnamon stick, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, that is soft, 2 cloves, and now goes in the main ingredient, that's coriander leaves, 2.5 cup of coriander leaves along with 7 to 8 mint leaves. Now, since I don't want the masala to be very spicy, that's the reason I de-seeded the green chili. Now these were dark green chilies, that's the reason I de-seeded them. If it was a light green chili, I would have just added 2 light green chilies and I would not de-seed them. Now regarding the tomato, I removed the pulp just because I don't want the masala to change its color. I want the masala to be green. Now always make sure that you add a good amount of fresh coriander leaves. Okay, that will give you a nice green color, and also add 7 to 8 mint leaves. So that will balance the flavor of the green masala. Now I added 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder along with salt for taste, and here I'm adding in a small lime sized tamarind which I soaked in hot water. Now we'll grind this into a smooth paste. Once our beef is cooked, we'll keep the pressure cooker aside and we will start with the cooking process. So here I have taken a thick pot in which I'll be adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And once the oil is heated, we'll add in some dried spices. So here I added 1 clove, 1-inch cinnamon stick and 4 to 5 peppercorns along with 2 bay leaves. And now goes in 1 small onion which I have sliced, and we'll fry the onion until it's brown. Once the onion turns brown, as you can see, the onions have turned brown. Okay. We'll add in our green masala. So here goes in the masala. Now we'll fry the masala for good 8 to 10 minutes until the oil starts separating and the masala is cooked well. Now along with this, I'll be adding in 2 medium-sized potato. Now after adding the potato in the masala, we will cook the masala and the potato well until the potato is around 70 to 80% cooked. Now this will take a good 10 to 15 minutes for the potato to cook and the masala to cook well. Okay, so just give it some time, close it with the lid and periodically keep checking the masala so that it doesn't stick at the bottom. If it starts sticking at the bottom, keep adding water. You can use the beef stock from the pressure cooker and keep frying the masala well. So now as I can see, the potato is 70 to 80% done. Now I'll be adding my beef. Now here add in all the beef pieces and also use up all the stock from the pressure cooker. If there is any masala remaining in the mixer grinder, add some water and use that as well. And here, just to give a tinge of a Kashmiri chili spice to the curry, I'll be adding in 2 red Kashmiri chilies. I'll just split them into 2 pieces and add it to the curry. And now we will let the curry boil until the potato is cooked well. Keep the flame on medium and let it cook well. So after 7 to 8 minutes, you will see the potato will be cooked well. You can just check the potato. At this stage, you can check for salt as well and you can adjust the salt if needed. Look at this. The potato is well cooked. So that's it. Our beef curry in green masala is ready. And now I will turn off the flame, close it with the lid and I will let it rest for 5 minutes before we serve it hot. Wow, this looks delicious. You can eat it with rice, but I am going to eat it with kadak pav. I love it with kadak pav. You can also eat it the next day. It tastes amazing. Okay, so that's about it guys. It was that simple to make this beef curry in green masala. Please do try this at home if you're a beef lover. Try this beef curry in green masala. It tastes amazing. The masala is very simple. If you want it spicy, don't de-seed the chilies. Make it spicy, make it according to your taste, but each and every ingredient has to be the same as I showed in the video. Do let me know in the comments below. My first question, whom should I credit? Is it the Goan or the East Indian? If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing it and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. Till then, my name is Stan. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.